Good afternoon, viewers. Today again we are at a beautiful property which is actually located towards Bangalore North, located off Hennur by one of the reputed developer known for developing aesthetic developments. They are known for their the differentiation of this particular property is the kind of development and the customization. So today we are giving you an exclusive preview of a two-bedroom apartment. This is actually a 1431 square feet unit. So this is how we entered. So basically, you talk about upgrades, you have upgradation from each and every level, from the door locking system to the flooring to everything can be upgraded here in terms of the customization. So this is how we are entering to the main door of the property. So this is we enter into the main door, then we are heading towards the living area. So this is how the living area comes in. So you have a pretty decent looking living area in here. So along with the living space, we enter further here. This is space for your TV, the entire thing. And the other beauty is you get a garden area. Either you are there on the ground level or on the upper level. You have the garden area where you can plant a larger trees in place. So this is one deck space or the private garden along with the living area here. Then from the living area we head towards the dining space. So this is how the dining space would look. So you can design it according to your convenience because you got good spacious sizes in here. Then we head to the kitchen area here. So from the dining we head towards the kitchen space. So you get a parallel kitchen counter in here, and again everything is customizable in place in here. So this is how the kitchen looks. Then towards the utility here. So in the utility you get the option of a sink in place, a space for your washing machine, dishwasher, and a water heater here completely. So this is how the utility looks in. So now we are heading towards the children's bedroom. So this is the space of the children's bedroom. So pretty well designed. And when you talk about the quality of the development, this is uber luxury what you're looking at. So this is how the children's bedroom would look. And then the washroom in here, the attached washroom in place. So talking about the fitments are all completely high-end fitments. Again, everything is customizable. The artwork, the craftsmanship is at a master level when you talk about the development, what this developer regularly does. So now we are heading towards the master bedroom. So this is the standard flooring what you get. This is called as a Kota tile. So this is how we enter into the bedroom. So at the bedroom, this is the complete space. The complete space of the bedroom in here, and towards this corner is your washroom in here. So you've got an option of a sink in here, then the wash area. So basically this is the bathing area, then the pot complete in here. So this is how you get into the washroom. And the other beauty of this development is the private terrace what I was talking about. So for this you have the access from the living area as well as from the master bedroom here. So this is the master bedroom. So from the master, this is the master bedroom. From the master bedroom you have the access towards the private terrace gardens. So this is an exclusive tour of the top-notch development towards Bangalore North, and this property will be delivered when you talk about the apartment, because this is again a integrated township which has villas, apartments and all, which will be delivered. The apartments will start getting delivered by August 23. For further details, contact PropTech Realty, one of the major marketing partners for major developers in Bangalore. Thank you.